But all right, we are now live. Hope everyone who joins in's having a good day and stuff and watching now. But yeah, so today we're just gonna be putting in some final touches. Hopefully, we're getting close to end on this idle game. I don't know how is this Dino panel thing being done? It's the image frame, the image. Okay. Interesting. Alright, I see how it's done. We just basically took a screenshot of that. I think it'd be cool. I don't know if I can do that, but it'd be cool if we could have this be like a camera rendering of this thing. I don't know how to do that at all, I'm being 100% honest. But if we make it that try here, but I've already done a little bit so far on it. Pretty much just let you close and open it, and making each dino have a list of challenge things. I think we're going for 5 challenges per dino. Oh, maybe we're going for more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's fine. We can just, I mean, we can change values and stuff. So, but let's see. This this viewport content. There's challenge items. Alright, so I can already know something we're gonna need. We're gonna need a challenge script. Challenge. We'll just call this let's call it challenge. Why not? Alright, once it gets done executing and loading, let's add it. Oh, I need to wait for it to compile. Compile will add it to this challenge item. It's taking its hot minute to compile. Okay, now we're reloading. I did have to restart my Unity earlier because it got stuck in reloading. I don't think I've done much since then, so it's probably just taking its time to warming back up. Alright, so we'll swap over to the challenge script. We're gonna need a reference to the text. This will be the challenge text. I guess this will make one that's called private float. We'll call this the challenge target. No, it's be an int. No, yeah. The amount of times you grow dino is not something you can't grow down half a time, so it should be an int. This is how many times to grow before challenge is complete. Then I think we'll just make like a serialized field. So this above this actually. This will be private game object. This will be just like the completed stuff. What is going on with this code? Why is there so many navigation availability internal error? Let me restart this VS Code. I don't know what has happened. Hold on. If I'm reopening it now, are we gonna have the same problems here? Why is you trying to find me today? I don't know what I've done to it. I don't think I like where I task managered it earlier though. Okay, it seems like stuff's working now though. So this would be like the completed. Okay, well, I would say it's working, but it is. I think we're good. Okay, I think we're good. Maybe. This is about the completed UI, so that just shows up saying it's gonna be completed. The challenge target, that'll get passed in. Um, let's see. We'll also probably need a challenge manager as well. I will control all this, but for now, I think we'll need a method to set the challenge target. I guess this will be current growths. Yeah, I guess we should probably keep track of that in here. We might also want to have a reference to the attached dino for each challenge as well. Not... because I feel like we're going to need to get the current growths from this on, like, update or something. I think that shall work. I guess we'll also need some, like, private int completion award. How much the player receives after claiming challenge. And we'll also need one method for claiming the challenge. Claim challenge. Which is this game controller? Is this in Singleton? It is. This is where we keep track of the goal. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Or coin. Let's coin multiplier tax. Coins. Yep, so we save coins. Get dino names. Inject gold. Alright, so I can just really call this inject gold method. So actually, this should be a double. And then, so when we claim challenge, we are going to do game controller instance dot inject gold completion award. So we're going to award player extra gold. I guess we'll also need one that's just public void challenge collect. In which case, actually, we'll need a... We're going to need a reference to the button, private button, which is going to be the challenge button, which is going to be the one they're going to click. Because when you complete it, challenge button, we're going to make it not interactable anymore. So I guess we'll also probably need a private bool claimed is equal to false. And we'll have to We'll save this to know if challenge is completed. So we have the challenge click. So this is, you know, awards player when challenge is complete. Should we actually have to click actually? Maybe that should just be an automatic reward that gets added in. Yeah, I think we just don't make it interactable. We'll still keep completed before, so we know the challenge is completed. This is pretty much going to be if current growth is greater than or equal to challenge target. That's what we called it. And then we're gonna set claimed equal to true. We're gonna claim the challenge. And we're also gonna set the completed UI. Dot set active true. I don't know if this is gonna work or not though, because with how it's currently set up in the scene, this challenges panel here would not be active. So if each one of these challenge items has the challenge script on it, I don't think that's gonna automatically claim it. So I think what we do then is we're gonna get challenge manager script. And then this script, hold on a second, so I load up. This script will have a list of private, I guess, challenges. This will be the Dino Challenges UI. So this one will actually have the method for claiming. So I guess how do we? It's gonna be the best way to do this though. For now, let's put that in 0 so I won't complain. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. That challenge target. We'll do this and then, you know, just if flamed return. Pretty much, there's an early return out, really. I'm just trying to think what's gonna be the best way to handle this, because if we do a challenge manager, then the challenge manager has to be continuously checking all these challenges every time the growth occurs. I mean, we have like, maybe 10 challenges wouldn't be too bad. They're trying to think performance-wise. Not gonna be too bad, honestly, so. But actually, I'm just trying to think, though. It's gonna be kind of a... Maybe we don't need a Dino Challenges. Maybe we don't need a manager. Maybe we should use Dino Control. Because Out of Control already holds the growth challenges, so we can also just make another, which would be a double array actually, of challenge rewards. So it'll be a new int 5. I don't know what's a good rewards amount, so maybe like a 500. Maybe like 1,000. 5,000. 10,000. 100,000 and 1,000,000. Oh, I see. That's the problem. It's because that's not ints. It's supposed to be doubles. I think that might work. That might be good. I guess we private int. How do we mean? I'm trying to think. I guess it's gonna be public, private pool array. This will be completed challenges. So we go new bool 5, and then they're all gonna be false. So false, 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 false. I don't know if this is the best way to handle this, but just keep a track of this one's complete, this one's complete already. So now if we scroll down to update Dino age, yeah. So set growth. That is fully grown once. So this is probably down here as we want to go and make a new method, private void, check challenges. So we'll call this method here. For int I equals 0, I is less than, was it do growth challenges dot length I plus plus. So for each one, we're gonna check if current or what number grows. How do I? What is reset age? Times fully grown, as they're called. If time times fully grown is greater than or equal to grow challenges add I. And I guess, and we'll do it here. And show the challenge completed challenges at I does not equal true. So Dino has been grown. Has been grown enough times, and challenge has not been completed before. So I guess really, I think if I want to be efficient, it's probably better to do this. Check this one first. So we don't really compare these two ints. If it's true, then we're done immediately. That's probably the same. But I guess, but no, this is actually would be faster because once you make it true, then you're only checking one instead of checking both of them. So maybe it's a glue true. And then we'll also inject. Is that how it's? Oh, I guess it's game controller.instance.inject gold. And we'll make this the challenge rewards at I. Give player challenge reward. I thought this should just work already. Like, it should give us the gold increase. So let's make this first one, instead of 100, let's make it 5 for testing for right now. It's not going to update the UI at all. That UI stuff, we'll figure out the UI stuff later. I guess it does say collect. So maybe it would be better. I just feel like it's going to require a lot more. Real completed UI challenge. Oh, that's fine. So let's just go and grow this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the 1,000 gold. No more console errors. So yeah, that works. Wonder if I can get to 100 times. I kind of covered up the UI. Not gonna lie. So I'll move this down for now. So we gotta go 500, I believe. So I'm switching the autoclicker on away so I can see. Make sure that this gives the next one as well. Which will take. It shouldn't take too long. We're at 250, so. I think we're growing pretty much just fast, like as fast as the thing's clicking, so. We're passing 400 times grown. And okay, we're at one per click. So boom, boom. We got an extra 5,000. If I was to go to the next dino though, unlock and then grow this thing 5 times, I'm expecting to see a jump in 500 or 1,000. I believe I got that. Let's double check. So we're at 10k. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should go up to like 1,100, 11.8, 11.9. Yep, that works. It's for each dino. So we'll get the reward once as well. So that works. That's good. You test it with auto grow though. That's something we should test. We know you not test auto grow. We'll let it through the normal grow. I'm just gonna move this down a little bit. Pause. Go maximize it. You see all the upgrades better. So if I was to grow this a couple times, then we'll let auto grow finish it off like this. We got extra 1,000. So let's go and bump more into auto grow. So I'm gonna unlock this. Something a boost of 1,000 here in a couple seconds. Yep, we got it. Okay, see if it works fine with auto grow. I would be interested to see how it turns out if I'm on a different dino. I mean, I think it should just still work fine. Let's just bump up a little more into auto grow. Have this thing going pretty fast now. I don't know if this coin gold are actually gonna apply to the challenges or not. It might. Alright, 60 for this dude, 200 for this dude. Alright, so we go to 500 for the next boost, so let's just get to like 480 and then go to the next dino. Alright, so now I'm expecting to get like a boost of like 10k here soon. Oh, actually I think it's 5k. Is it 5k is the next one? Yeah, it is 5k. And I did get that, so that works. It works even for not on the dino. That's good to know. Alright, so that is working. So now it's time to get to actually update the UI. So let's look at the here. So we're gonna get rid of more of this stuff. We don't need this stuff. We don't need this. Fat challenge target. Yeah, I think we need that. Then public void. Set current growth. Int grows. Current growth equals grow. And then let's make another one that's just or public void update UI. Because we have the challenge text, which I think says, hold on a second. Oop, I didn't do that. This will work fine. I think it says something like, oh, we have challenge content, challenge text. Grow the some dinosaur XXX times for wild white gold. Okay. So I guess that would be good to have the attached dino name for that then. But it's gonna be challenge text. Yo, what's up, Lion? Change the game view aspect for full HD. You can see the coin. You can see the gold coin reward better. Full HD. All right. And we'll keep that in mind. But so for now, we're gonna set this challenge text equal to grow. We'll do some dinosaur for now. We need to replace that with the dinosaur name though. Plus the challenge target. The text may not need to be mentioned since the goal is in the reward area. Okay, we can just do amount of times. Or just grow this dinosaur so many times. Let me see. I didn't really actually see the gold reward thing. Let me play it and see it real quick. Okay, I see it at the bottom there. So, grow the dinosaur. I got a little toggle for it as well. Okay, I see. Yeah, so how I have it set up at the moment is this doesn't actually do anything. You can't actually collect it. The toggle's not interactable with mouse. Yeah, that makes sense. You should not be able to click it, turn it on. So, but how it works at the moment is you can't really see it right here. That's 1 times. But if I grow this dude 5 times, so 2, 3, 4. No, that's 5 actually. It just automatically gives me the reward. So I don't think we need to go in here and actually like claim it ourselves. Could just be like completed over it. We could still come in here and claim it, but I figure it's just simpler if yeah. I think it's just a little simpler that way. I'm actually wondering, I don't know why Twitch chat is not showing up on stream. Oh well. I'll have to look into that at some point, but yeah, so we can make like say instead of saying like complete or something like that, I think that makes sense. But that's pretty much how it works. It also works with auto growth as well. If I go auto grow, and then I go buy this dino, and then I go like sit back here and just wait a little bit. We should see like a pop up of like 1,000 gold here in a second from that other challenge. Yeah, 1,000 gold right there. So it's kind of always running. It's always checking to see if it reached a challenge or not. So cool. All right, but so challenge text, grow some dinosaur. Be nice to have like a notification message at least. Yeah, we can do that. That shouldn't be too hard to do, I don't think. So, or like a UI effect that shows some gold bonus was achieved. Yeah, we can do that. For now, though, I need to actually make it hook into that UI and actually make it show something. So I think I'm gonna do current growths. I think I'll just do some update. Think about saving and loading it as well. Yeah, that is something we're gonna have to deal with. Right now, it's on each dino control. It's kind of like an array of challenge stuff. So I guess set challenge target, set current growth. Public void. I'm actually trying to think. I guess we should maybe just have a challenge manager. I think this challenge manager, instead of being the one that's going to give it gold, we have to have a. We give it the array of Dino Challenge UIs, which right now I only have 5 challenges. So we give it that stuff, and then I'll make this a singleton challenge manager instance. Oh, private static. Then just do the default, you know, if instance equals null, instance equals this, yada yada yada, else. We'll just log a warning that multiple challenge managers detected, and we'll destroy the game object this one's on, the extra one's on. This we'll have one we'll have a method that is set challenge UI, and it will take in a dino control, which would be the current dino. So for int I equals 0, I is less than current dino dot growth challenges I plus dot length. There we go. I think each dino controller keeps track of its own challenges. We see the update state of the same challenges for each one when the UI is updated. When the UI is opened. Yes. That is why, so basically, this method is going to be called every time you change dinos. Use a dictionary for each challenge and bool if it is complete or not. I'm gonna be smart. That's not how I did it. I just made another array. So we have 3 arrays. Really, it's probably best to have one dictionary that has. You can do 3 elements. Could you do a dictionary that basically has an int, double, and a bool? I don't know if you can do that with dictionaries. You could do a tuple for the value. Interesting. So we'll have this Dino Challenges UI at I, and this one will really just, we'll just have public void set attached dino, which will give it a dino control. Attached dino equals dino. Only one value for the key. Okay. So then we'll set the attached dino equal to current dino. So like I said, every time we change a dino, like challenge ID for the key, then value 1, value 2 for the associated value of that key. It may not be necessary if the rewards are always the same. Though I suspect they can't be since the scaling involved. Yeah, that's something. So we may have to scale them up. We'll have to see. Because, I mean, it's really just like, as you get later, like these first couple ones you'll breeze through. Which, I mean, this one's not really 5. That's supposed to, maybe 5 might be bad for the first challenge. But it's just, like, you'd like breeze through, like, the first couple, so you get smaller rewards, when like, these last 2 would take you longer, and that's why they give you much bigger rewards. It was at least the idea I had thought for that. But they may still need to be scaled up. You are right about that. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, we'll have to see. It probably will need to be scaled up. Handle on click. Is this, or is it inside the game controller? Is that where we handle switching dinos? Delete save. Set dino name. Update slider value. Unlock current dino. Okay, cycle previous dino, cycle next dino, okay. Previous methods in game controller, that's what I thought. Alright, so then we'll do challenge manager dot instant, no. I guess we don't want to do this. We could. Is this not? No, it's not public. We probably could just have a reference to it. We might even make it a singleton, but. Dot, what did I call this method? Set challenge UI. And we'll just pass it in. Was it current dino? Do we not? Oh, current dino control is what it's called. Yeah, it has been a while since I've worked on this stuff, so I do not remember how stuff is set up. I'm used to just placing stuff down in a scene. Yeah, it's a bit messy too. It's a little bit messy, but you know, if it works, it works, you know. I've had messier projects. This one's just everything is kind of in the game controller class, but like I've had worse. I've done worse projects. So let's see. Is there an on enabled or should? It's actually, this will just be public void enable challenge UI. And we'll just turn the canvas on. Serialized field, private, game object. Dino challenge canvas. So we'll just do like, set this active to true. But then we'll also go in and let's see. We'll call this update UI for each one of these. For all of you guys, go in and update the UI. Oh, I guess we're going to have access to that though. For now, just hard code at 5. That'll work for just testing the stuff, and if we need to change it, we can change it. So, but in update UI though, just don't really need this anymore. So, challenge target is going to equal to attach dino dot. Well. Actually, we're going to need a int for the index. There's going to be attach dino dot, which this if we don't change it to be 3 different arrays, maybe a little different. But growth challenges at index. The challenge. What's it? Okay, completion award. That's another one we need. Completion award. Attach dino dot challenge rewards at index. I guess we also get completed from this as well, or plain was this completed. Current growths. Growth is equal to attach dino dot challenge, not challenge rewards. Is that something that's current dino age? Okay, we don't have a way to get the number of age from each dino at the moment. Where is num age? Dino name. We'll probably need to get this as well. 4 times grown. Oh, times fully grown. There's something to get. Okay, never mind. I see. Times fully grown. Thank you. We'll also need one for the private string dino name. So go here, this will be dino name. Go to attach dino name. Actually, let me go into here. Just make this public. I don't think we actually set it anymore though. Which, hold on a second, let me, I know I had a method in here that I made for, I thought it was in here. Maybe it's out of the game controller where it gets every dino's name. There's a name UI element that might give some inspiration. Can't recall how it is handled. Yeah, I was just gonna go and get this code, put it into Dino, go up to awake. Just gonna be GameObject.name.split. Actually, this is not the way actually I handle. Hold on a second. I know I did something a little different. Dino control to unlock. Okay, I did get dino name. Okay, this is what I did. So this would be dino name is equal to can I just do name on its own? I didn't know I could do that. The name of the object. Yeah. Okay. I thought you had to do game object .name. I didn't know you could just do .name or just do name on its own. But I'll just get the dino name right off the bat. So we can get the dino name. So this will, instead of some dinosaur, we can do dino name, and then we'll just add space. Learn something new every day. Yeah, that's actually kind of useful. I don't know. I guess I never tried it. I just always assume you had to do game.name when it comes to the side of string interpolation. I could. It's like, it'd be like a what? It'd be that's not what I wanted, VS Code. That's not what I wanted. Hold on a second. I know it's out of game controller. Somewhere here there was dino name. Oh, okay. I see. Grow $sign before quotes. Alright, got it. Got it. So grow dino name space number of to challenge target times. I guess also now I need a gold text field though. That's not what I want to do. Serialize field. Clean. It is pretty clean. Haven't had to use that since my React days though. Or haven't used it, I guess. Coin text. Coin text dot text is equal to completion award. Not toString. There we go. And then for here, I mean, we just pass in I now. think that's... Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Or wrong buttons. I think that's pretty much it for now. So, each challenge item, we're going to give it the challenge text. And I'm guessing... Oh, that's the content. Give it that text as well. Technically, you should use the set text function to avoid an extra stream object creation, but it's a minor optimization. Interesting. Completed UI. We don't really have. We won't worry about the completed stuff just yet. Am I good to, I'll go and just disable all this. Oops. Yeah, sorry about that. I forgot I have the auto mod on. I get those people that just come in and drop their own Twitch and stuff in here. I will send in Discord. Alright, sounds good. It's an interesting read. Let's call this challenge item. I'll prefab this. And then I'll go and create. Why is there so much space between these? Is it because these are still counted as items? I don't want to delete these, just in case something important on them, so I'll just move them out. Why are they so far apart? I feel like a negative spacing on the horizontal layout group. I gotta do like negative spacing. Oh, size of the content, not spacing. Oh, okay. Did you have 10 elements? Ah, yeah, yep. So like this. Probably, I don't know. I don't know how wide I need this to be. I guess probably about here, because that's when it stops. That stops to space stuff out. So maybe we go a little bit more until it starts moving it. Press the wrong way. Like right there. Disable the mask on the view. Oh. That would be smart. Oh. I think we made this a little larger like that. Now we enable the mask. And then I need to make this challenge button. Actually, I need to make a challenge manager. I'll just throw that on the game controller object. So we need this to go in assign. It's gonna be just go get all of these. 2, 3, 4. The challenge canvas. Where's gonna be the challenge panel? So then this is gonna go and change the challenge manager to enable challenge UI. Alright, I'm gonna throw in a couple errors from this, we'll see. And challenges. Yep. What is wrong? Object reference instead of an object. Hold on a second. Challenge 51. Challenge text equal attach dino dot growth challenges. Oh. Oh, I think I know what the issue is. Because where I go and actually do the challenge manager, this needs to be done on start as well, because otherwise it never gets set, because I never increment or ever go to the next dino. Actually, maybe it should be done in start and not awake. That may be an error. We'll see though. Alright, let's give this a try. I mean, like that all works. I mean, of course the toggle's on, which it shouldn't be on until it's completed, but that's minor stuff right there. But like it shows the right times, and let's check if I go to the next dino, then hit challenges. Yeah, it shows all this as well. So let's go back into here. Do I get challenged? Do I get completed? I do not get completed. Nope, that car completed. Sweet. Yeah, I'm surprised that worked first try, pretty much. Attach dino dot challenge. Nope, I thought it was. What did I name this freaking array? Oh, it's private. Okay, that's why I don't see it. Dot completed challenges at index. If completed. Oh, hold on a second. Now I'm gonna start recording. Have I got a dino name? Then we're gonna need a serialized field for the toggle. I'm assuming, is it a toggle option? I'm assuming. It's gonna be just a toggle IRC. Okay. No, challenge target, challenge toggle. I actually don't know. I actually don't know what the value is called for that. It actually is like missing, or I just don't see it. Yeah, it's because I'm not capturing the screen. I'm capturing just the VS Code on its own, I think. Well, I'll go into here. Challenge toggle is on. The profile is like is on. Yep. Dot is on equals true, and then we'll set the completed UI dot set active true. Else we see the opposite. We set this stuff to false and disable it. Now we head back into here. Once this is done loading, challenge item. The challenge toggle. And then is that what? I think this is the completed UI. Okay, well, I don't know why it's out. I just clicked on this text, but I don't know why it's loading again. I really like the completed UI. It's a button right now, so maybe I'll change that. We can't put. I could probably just cause I don't know why I'm getting like my inspector is busy right now. It's loading something. I don't know what's loading. It's waiting for Unity code to finish. I just clicked on the text. So whenever this gets done, which I don't know, I have a feeling I might have to Task Manager Unity again. Oh, maybe not. I got scared when I brought up task managing it. Okay, no, this is not. Oh, this is the collect button down here. That's where it is. I'll just make it not interactable. Like, let's give it this color. No, I'll just make it interactable. It's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna matter. Collect text. This will just say completed instead. So yeah, they can click anything they want. It's not gonna do anything. So let's go apply this value. Oh, I'm loading again. There's a hover effect right now. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work though. So we can load in the challenges. None of them are completed. So let's go grow this dude a couple times. Complete that first challenge. Challenge completed. Okay, I got that. The toggle works. Did I assign the wrong value for? Yeah, I did. Oh, that's why I assigned the wrong value for the complete UI. That's why I just had more of that text, more of that stuff there. But now if we go and do this again, now that I assigned the right value. So let's just go ahead and grow them up to 1,000. Boom, I got the money. Completed. Maybe make it a little smaller or something like that, or you know. But I don't think it looks bad at all. Nice, this is nice. And then if I go to the next dino, it like you saw it like linger for a second, but it went away. If I go back to here, yeah, it seems like it's okay. I guess it just like takes it a second to uncheck it and recheck it. It's not horrible, I guess. Thing is, I kind of want to like let me go and where is it? Challenges panel. Like make this not a raycast target. You know, make it like not. I guess make it not yellow as well. That way I'll leave it yellow for now. But just like that way I can like flip through this and see each challenge as I go through. And I think to do that, really all I need to do is just go in the challenge manager, and whenever I do this, also update the UI of that one. I think that'll work once my Unity lets me reopen it though, because I gotta wait for it to load. Took it up to the cycle previous method. That's what, yes, this one's called on cycle previous method. So this should go and update the UI every time you swap. Hopefully, that's what I'm hoping. I'm just waiting for my Unity to get compiling. It's taking a sweet time. There we go. Alright, so we go here. Meant you did it in both cycle next and previous. Yes. I'm pretty sure it's in both. That's why there's three references. Because there's one on start. Yeah, grow mode sort 5 times. And then just to see, let's go level up this dude, complete his challenge. So now we're here. We're like that. So yeah, so that's why I think I'm gonna go and just make this clear. I'm assuming just make it clear. That way you can just cycle through and see all the challenge and your progress whenever you want, if you want. So like challenges, that did not make it clear. What component is that freaking thing on? That would be the panel. Oh, maybe it's this. No, that's not. The main canvas. Challenge canvas. So what about the challenges canvas? That's what, I thought it was this, but this is white. This is the banner. I feel like should be that challenges panel, but it's I made it white though, and it's still like it's still yellow. Hold on a second, let me see. What is this? What is this background? That's the feed button. That's not what I want. The source should be the source image is yellow. Change it to not. Oh, this. Hold on a second. I can't see it. The sprite thing is like frozen. Or challenges panel. Yeah, I'm trying to. There's a lot of stuff popped up, so it's struggling to load. Just give me none. That's all I want. Nope, I chose the wrong one. That's freaking. Ah, yeah, I see. Alright. Oh, hold on. My What is. Why is. I guess because I'm probably streaming is why my Unity's taking longer to do shit. I really appreciate it could be faster though, because I'm kind of stuck here. I can't. I'm at the task manager you again, Unity. You said you're crazy. Yeah, so I didn't even. I didn't click play. Why am I playing again? I'm about this task manager just again and reopen it again. One second, I'm completing the domain. I didn't want to load. Oh, it stopped. Alright, you know what, Unity? You know what? No, I don't. That's take too long to reopen. There we go. I've changed it to none now. If you threaten it enough, Unity will listen to you. So now it's white. Did I not? Oh, actually, you know what? I could just change the alpha to 0. Yeah, that's what we needed. Not okay. I didn't need to not make it yellow. I need just to make it invisible. I just forgot about that. Yeah, but now it's just like here. I think I got this back arrow here, which maybe makes it a little more noticeable. I just didn't see like an X button. But I can swap through. I think it'd be cool. I was talking at the beginning of the stream. Did not create that yet. But if this was just like this image was just like a camera render of like the dinosaur. So it's just like live footage from the scene displayed there. I don't know how to do that though, is the thing. But I think that'd be the best way to do it. That way you also see it like growing and stuff. Yeah, if you want to look it up, yeah. I'm just gonna see. Try to do it on stream? Yeah, I mean, if not, then I'm going to find someone else to either work on or play. Because the challenge stuff, I think the challenge implementation, I mean, it's not, you can't save and load it yet. But aside from that, I think challenge is pretty much done. Because like you give rewards. Yeah, you give rewards whenever you complete them. I don't. No, I think that would update. We use a render texture. Alright, so if we go let's see, current dino panel on the image itself, I'm assuming probably. We use a render. Is that not a component, I'm guessing? I'm asking ChatGPT. Alright. I'll give it a second to cook. It's not a component though, so. Easier to see it than me try and type it. Try to serve a link. Alright. Alright, give me 1 second to get this stuff set back up. It's like we need to use a raw image on the canvas and assign a render texture to the camera. Assets, create render texture, give a name, just settings needs as a resolution. Alright, so let's go do that first. Why is it not picking up my Unity scene at the moment? Oh, hold on, I think I just messed it up. There we go, I think we should be good. Now, though. Alright. I'm gonna back up. How do you make that? Oh, I like that. I kind of just made it in DaVinci. Like, I use their DaVinci Resolve to edit my videos and stuff. I kind of just threw it all together in there. You know, they had just like this kind of like this glitch in and out text effect, and then aside from that, it's just like the YouTube and Twitch images are just stuff I made that just kind of bounce up and down on their own. Like this is like a scene OBS you can switch to. So I have this as like the very back of every scene, just so like, you know, if I close something down, this is not just like a black screen. This pops up, but yes, I could. I do have a starting and ending scene, so I'll switch to this. It has its own music as well, so. But yes, this is the starting one. I don't use these terribly often, to be honest. I've made them, but I don't use them terribly often. Most of the time I start the stream immediately, then ending is pretty much like the exact same, so. Just with extra text at the top, so. But yeah, I mostly use it just like a background, so like when I close stuff down, it doesn't just, if something crashes or something closes, it's not just a black screen anymore. But so looking back at that, in Unity's main menu, go to Assets, Create, Render Texture. So let's I'm gonna make a folder real quick for textures. Render texture. I guess we'll call this just challenge Dino view. I don't know if that's changing any of the settings yet. Assign the right texture to the camera. So the camera that you want to capture the view from. I'll leave them on default for now. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do as well. So I think we need another camera then. Or can I just use the main camera? No. So it's like, should I use a virtual camera or just make another camera, you think? I think I'm just making another camera for now. Use the main camera, right? Could I? I can't move the main camera. I think it's tied into the cinema machines. I can't like move it or anything. So I'm gonna, because I think it should be a little closer. So I'll make another one. This will be the challenge view camera. Let's just go and give it. Well, let's move it up here real quick. Let's just get it set up where the main camera is at the moment. I'll enable the Triceratops so you just kind of see where stuff's gonna spawn. I waste all those at once. Yeah, I've already started this though. So let's like get closer. Something more like this, I guess. The problem is, so you don't have all the UI though. I really want this capture in the UI. What's this? Did I change the output texture? On the target texture property inside the render texture. Yeah, output. So I changed this output texture to the render texture. Okay. I can see it. Alright, and then from there, so we got that. For UI cam to have one already. Make a raw image instead of an image. So I'm just gonna go re-enable this for now so I can see. So it should be raw image. It's span the entire thing, but have like, was it 1616? 16, 16, 16, 32. And then probably just change this like that. So let me go disable the Triceratops. And I guess we'll just hit play and see if this works. Oh, look at that. Dude's still just vibing up there in the corner. I feel like we can get closer, but I don't know how it is with some of the bigger dinos, you know? Ah, nah, I think we definitely get closer overall still. Yeah, that was pretty easy. That was nice. And the big ones are fully grown. Let me go get to a big one real quick. We'll see. So for now, I'll just go skip through all this. Use the cheat editor tool in the game controller inspector. Oh, you are right. I was just thinking about the cheat stuff. I guess I just unlock all dinos. I need to add 1 trillion gold. So now if we go to the Brontosaurus, then we go. Yeah, he goes a little bit out of frame. I mean, we could back it up some a little bit. I guess we could just use the main camera angle. I think it should be a little closer. Therefore, you can go and, you know, like I go get a lot of auto growth going. You can kind of see him growing. I don't know how to look for, like, you know. Let's try and change the camera settings at runtime based on the dyno. Might be too much work. Yeah, I think we probably just back it up a little bit. So. Let's go spend all my money on gold upgrades. Wow, my gold amount's not going down at all. So I'm going to just max that. I'll try not updating while active. They're not. I thought they should. Hold on 1 second. Let me go move this challenge button down. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I want. I'll just do this. Because I was paused, that's why. Grown. I thought it would. We were in pause mode. Yeah, I realized that. Okay. So. Let's see. First thing I want to do is like probably kind of recenter this camera a little bit. Should we just have it use the main camera view? I feel like she'll be like a little closer though. But then again, it's not too close. Too close. Maybe something like this. That might be fine. As long as it looks decent, I'm fine with it. But then I thought. I can't. So I think the best way to do this then is just like make an update UI method in here, which is just gonna go and just to do this, and then if we go in the Dino control, when we check challenges, if one is found to be completed, because all you do is completed. Then we do challenge manager.instance.update UI. I think it should be fine. We'll head back and check. So just to make sure, actually, I don't say that I disabled this. So we load in. I'll give it some auto growth going, and then I go in the challenges, and it should be about 5 times here. That's the next grow. That worked. Now I am wondering what's gonna happen though if the Dino like isn't, like the challenge is open. So I'll just grow 5 times. Yeah, it works. I think that's good enough. It'll update if it's active. You'll see the change as it happens. So that's fine. So one thing is that this camera is not centered now though. I thought that would make it more centered. I guess I was wrong. Maybe more like this way. Let's see how this looks. It'll be the same for both. Oh, that's a good point. No, this is 50. The other one is 50 and 500. I'd really love it. I guess I could enable the Triceratops to see. Yeah, I think the Triceratops is pretty much where they're gonna spawn. I'm gonna be generally back on later if you're still on. Alright, sounds good, man. I'll back this up some. Back this way. Alert. It's kind of far, but it still gets the job done. Let's see. If I go unlock all dinos. Damn, that is still... It's still out of frame. I think it's not horrible though. Let's just see if this is gonna work again still. We're not gonna study 5 times? Alright, completed. This dude's not grown 5 times. How is this dude not grown 5 times? I mean, it's good work though. Alright, I do see this needs to be changed still though. This dinosaur text. So let's look at that done real quick. They were pretty much done with challenges. So make another one, serialized field, private TMP text. That's not private. TMP text. The dino name text. Well, I think I said do dot set text. I'll go ahead and do that. Why not? Make it a little bit more efficient. Completion award, and then we'll do dino name text dot set text dino name. That's all it needs to be. Now I just need to go find out which text is the dino name text, though. Let's enable this. I can see what I'm clicking on. Alright, so here we are. Let's see, challenge text, challenge content, challenge item. Oh, it actually does right here. Current dino name. Can I make this a prefab? I prefab that value? I don't think I can. No, because it's not a child. That's okay, it's only 5, so. Current dino name. Nope, that's the wrong one. Current dino name. Current dino name. I'll get rid of this image. Don't need it anymore, so. Oh, I didn't even notice that T-Rex was back there. I'm just running. Now I got the comp sagas. I think it works for all of them. I don't see everything be working 5. What is this? Oh, it's grew 5 times. Never mind. I thought I was saying the dinosaur name was like Iguanodon 5. But no, it's just. Alright, we still need to make this text format. For now though, it does seem like it's pretty much all working. So I don't think we need this, let me go to sales panel real quick. I don't think we need the times grown stuff. I'll disable that. I'll call this challenge wrap up. All right, though. I'm not really sure what else to work on now is the thing, though. Could go play something, I suppose. Although I'm encountering myself, so I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I might be back on later playing something. There might be some neat for now though. What else I'm gonna do from then. So I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, make sure to leave a like, follow, subscribe to the YouTube channel, all that stuff. Yeah, hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!